Hey friends, hey, thank you for clicking on today's video. It is February the 12th, so today is the day that I am going to be doing my first sinking fun cash stuffing for the month, so stay tuned for that. I have my layout of what I am going to be cash stuffing for today, so let's just jump right into it. I am going to start off with my high priority sinking funds binder, so I have that here. Not sure if I'm going to be needing that pen at this moment, but it is here just in case. Let's do some. Okay, let's just make sure we have what is supposed to be in here, which majority of the time it's pretty accurate, but you know, you never know. So today I am working with $170. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40 in $10 bills. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, so the math is mathin'. I am working with $170 for today. I'm jumping right into my high priority sinking funds. How are you guys doing on this lovely Friday? How rude of me, I did not ask. Hopefully you guys are having a fantabulous Friday and the weekend is going to be the bomb. Okay, so jumping right in to kind of want to make sure things are in frame. I think we're good. So our home will be getting $5. There you have it. And I'm not going to do a lot of counting in this one because I do end of the month sinking funds tally, so we'll do our cash counting at that point. Okay, so the 12th, today is the 12th, second month, the 12th. Okay, next up is household. Household will also be getting 5 as well. All right, medical is getting 5 as well. And there's going to be a lot of 5s. I only have 5s and 10s, so it's either going to be a 5 or a 10, right? So that's just what it is going to be. This year, I figured what I would do is not stress myself and try to stuff large amount of funds at a time. I'll just go slow and steady. Road trip is getting 5, and just kind of pace myself and go with my own flow, so to speak, until I get to where I need to get to, because sometimes we want to stuff large denominations in our cash envelope and it's just not feasible. It's just not what it is. You know what I'm saying? So $5 will be going into Holy Day as well. So I figured if I can at least cash stuff $5 into each of my envelope, that is taking one step forward, and that's a good position to be in, as long as we're moving. That's pretty much what kind of counts. Car maintenance is getting, Holy Day. Did I do retirement? Holy Day. Oh wow. Why is car maintenance not on here? Did I not put car maintenance on here? I didn't, so let me just quickly add it, because it's supposed to be Holy Day, then okay, I didn't put it on here, so I'm just going to put it in somewhere, and hopefully I have the right amount of funds, which I think I'm going to be $5 short, but I will just kind of figure out where I can just grab that from for now. But I know I wanted to put $5 into car maintenance, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna get an extra 5, so it should be 175 I'm cash stuffing. If not, you know what, I will just leave whatever envelope that do not get stuffed for the following cash stuff in. So we're at retirement, and retirement is getting 5. And I kind of have a slight headache, but the show must go on, right? Do you guys ever just want to do your cash stuff in and it's like 1,000,001 things just keep getting in the way, and you're like, as soon as I get this done, I'm going to film my video, and it just never happens? That's my problem. But you know what I'm doing this year? I am just like kicking procrastination and doing what I need to do to get the job done. So birthday is getting 5, and I do have a birthday saving challenge in here for $20 is for each cupcake. So each cupcake is worth $20. So I will stuff until I get to the $20 and then kind of mark off on the cupcake. So I can't mark off anything just as yet until I hit another 20. And I need to put, what, 15 more? Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to bounce over to my saving challenge here on my book. And you could see for my, I think this is the, which one is this? This one is the maze. The maze is getting $10 today. So we're going to do a bit of coloring. Just going to put that off to the side. We'll do like a lilac purple for today. So let's color in 10. That should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is perfect. I got 10 in. And I feel like coloring all the ones just make it look like I'm getting a lot done. It's the illusion of getting more done. But anyways, this one will amount to 121 when I am finished. And it's kind of nice to do little small saving challenges because it just kind of makes you get more eager to continue on the journey. All right, so my $5 savings is getting 15. Okay, so we can go ahead and color off 3 5s, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose a different color. Let's go with this pinky kind of red color for today. Okay, I'm not sure how much this one will be. Let me see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that is a quick 100 challenge. That is kind of nice. Okay, moving on back to our regular schedule program. Miscellaneous will be getting $5. And my next envelope is Boss Babe. I keep forgetting to stuff this one because it's in a completely different envelope. I just really like this one and I wanted to keep it, so that's what it is. So Boss Babe is getting $5 as well. Okay. So I am all done with my high priority sinking funds. I'm going to jump right into my lifestyle. Okay, so let's get it. All right, Molly's envelope, he is getting, let's see, he's getting 5, and I did go ahead and add a saving challenge just because I feel like it encourages me more to save and add funds to each envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a black marker and just kind of color this in. Okay. And I didn't do the greatest job. It's at this point, it's okay. I'm just trying to build a nice cushion, and then maybe I won't have to do a challenge inside. But I find the challenges real encouraging. Just comment down below and let me know, when you add a challenge to your envelope, does it encourage you to save more, or is it just me? Costco will be getting $5. Okay, and each icon is worth $5, so let's just go with color. Okay, my moving envelope will be getting 5. Investments will also be getting 5. Okay, and that kind of closes this binder off. So next up is my self-care sinking fund binder. And I don't think all the envelopes will be getting stuffed for this one, just because I kind of messed up the funds. So shopping will be getting $5. And just in case you missed it, I said I'm not going to count the money at this moment. When I do my closeout at the end of the month, that is when I will do a cash count. So spa is getting $5 as well. Next up we have, I don't know why I was making that so awkward with that just kind of cramped up, but nails will be getting 5. And then hair will be getting 5 as well. Do you know what the funniest thing? I've been dating this thing wrong. Today's not even the 12th. Today is the 9th. So what am I doing? You know what? I'm gonna go back and do the correction. I've been looking at last month's date and just kind of mirroring or copying exactly what's here, but today's the 9th. It's the 9th, guys. Oh, Lord. It's a long day and the day has just begun. Right? Okay, yeah. I am so silly. I can't believe I just caught on to that. Like, I did 2 binders and I'm at my last binder, almost at the last envelope, and I just realized what I did. Alrighty, Big Beauty is getting 5 as well. I'm gonna have to go back and do all that white out. So Beauty got the last 5. So the envelope that did not get to be stuffed is my date night envelope, because I took that and put it into car maintenance because I forgot to budget for car maintenance. So now what? Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I am just going to use $5 worth of placeholders to kind of put in to this envelope, and then I will reconcile it later. At first I was going to take 5 from another envelope that I already cashed stuff, but then it's going to be the same dilemma that I'm in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in placeholder slips, and I'm just going to add that to the envelope. And then when I get a chance to do like a bank run, I will reconcile or wait until I see what I have left over from my variable expense. If I have extra funds from there, that'll be great. I'll just add it to the envelope. So that kind of concludes today's cash stuffing for my sinking funds. And I'm so happy. You guys, I'm keeping on schedule. I'm doing this thing. I'm so proud of me right now. I'm just like tooting my own horn, so to speak. But anyways, I hope you guys are staying motivated and staying on that financial journey and just getting your money up and your financial mindset right. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.